Hello and welcome back to the channel. I've got a couple of backlog eBay parcels to undo and have a look at and see if they're any good, see if they were as described. So this one I've had for a couple of weeks, just sitting waiting to undo. When I've done American locos on here before, I'm complaining about I've hardly got any rolling stock, so this little lot suddenly showed up on eBay and hardly anyone bid on it. So we'll drag these out and have a quick look over. These were described as mint and boxed. So let's get the first one. So these are Athearn box car. Don't know how old they are in this type of box. So this is a 40-foot X per box, whatever that means. Car superior door. Right, not entirely sure what all that means, but the box is in decent nick, a little bit of shelf wear, that's no problem. Let's just drag this first one out of the box. Try to do it without ripping the box as well. There we go. These weren't described as new, as I say, but they were described as mint. Oh, it does come with some instructions. Obviously there should be some bits to add on by the looks of it. Or is that just an exploded diagram? No, that's just an exploded diagram, isn't it? There we go, December 98. Oh no, since December 98. Yeah, don't know how old these are. Anything on the bottom? No, there's no parts. So as I say, these were described as mint and boxed. Is the door open? No. They look pretty nice actually. Got the weight limits there, and this is the the Chicago line. Route of the Dixie Flagler, is that Flackler? No idea what that is either, unfortunately. So the door, yeah, the door doesn't open. That's moulded. Yeah, all that's moulded, the ladder's moulded, or this one anyway. Nice detail on the back with the wheel. Again, that's all moulded, although the wheel may be an extra part. There we go, air brake, air signal hose, etc, etc. What coupler have we got on here? Is that the Backman style coupler, Easy Mate or whatever it's called? Yeah, nice walkway on the roof. Bit dusty. But it does look in spot on condition, I must admit. Nice metal wheels, and the same sort of coupler on the back. Yeah, it looks alright. Yeah, not bad at all. Right, what else we got? So the next one, get that one out. Oh yeah, I remember now, there was three the same. So that's another one of those 40-foot superior door box cars. Originally £9. Oh look, it's got a date on it, 2006. Yeah, if you've got any information on this range, how sort of old they were, or whether they were thought of as rubbish or pretty good or whatever. That'd be nice to know. So that's the same. Do they have running numbers on these? Let's go back to that one. There's no point me dragging that one out of the box as well. Just trying to see some sort of running number. I imagine they're all going to be the same though. CNEI3, I don't know if that's got anything to do with it. Who knows? I'm not that bothered anyway. Yeah. So there's a second one of them. Exactly the same. Decent box. Yeah, that's all right. What's the next one? Oh, that's the third one. They might be different actually. I've just noticed that one says C and EI 4. That one says 3. And that one says 2. So they're not all exactly the same. Oh, that's nice. Oh no, that one's actually quite different. No, I didn't notice. That one says St. Louis and Southwest. And that one says Dixie Flyers. And the first one says Dixie Flagler, or whatever that says. Yeah, so they are all different. No, that's good. That's better than I was hoping. Yeah, it's got the number down there. So I've got 2, 3 and 4. Presumably there must be a 1 somewhere. Yeah, I think they'll look all nice together. We'll have a look in a minute. And the last one. This one is different, I know. So this is a, was that pulpwood? What's that called? Yeah, 40-foot pulpwood from the L&N. Again, it's another Athearn though. I do have a pulpwood car, and that's Atlas. So this one will have to come out, as it's different. Let's just drag this one out without buggering the box if I can. There we go. Bit more info in this. Presumably this is just another parts list. Yeah, so you can see the brake wheel is separately fitted. Nothing on the back there. Any parts? Nope. It's got some weight to it, this one. That's a, do you know what? That's a nice load. I half expected that to just be like a plastic shell, but it isn't. It's nicely textured. It feels like wood actually. Yeah, that's not bad, that. I like that one. I think the load's better than my Atlas one. I'm not sure where that is, otherwise I'd get it out to compare it. I'll see if I can find it. Metal wheels again. Oh, it does come off. So what is that? Some sort of resin? It's got a bit of weight to it, as I said. That is a cool looking load, I've got to say. That does look pretty good. Have a quick look over the wagon itself. bit of focusing problems here. I think it's because it's getting a bit dingy outside. And then the sun comes out and it's throwing it all off. But yeah, nice printing and all that on this again. Steps up the side there. Nice rivet detail, and again those couplings. Well, I'll tell you what, let's get all these fitted together. I'll find something to pull them around and we'll see how they go. And we find out if all the couplings are at the same height, because that's one of the problems I have with a lot of my US stuff. The height of the coupling seems to be random. I'm sure it isn't, but maybe it's because it's a mix of much older and slightly newer that I've got. Anyway, let's get these on the track and just give them a pull round. So whilst rummaging around trying to find my Atlas log car, compare the two, we'll have another look at the Athearn one with the really nice textured logs on there. That's really good, and the big, what seems to be resin log load, and this is the Atlas one, which again, it looks pretty good. Don't think it looks quite as good though. I don't know, what do you think? The light might be playing a few tricks on this, but I don't know, I think they're both pretty good. Different types of tree, I guess, that's what it is. One of the differences in this one is that the Atlas one, the frame around the bottom here, not the end pieces, is all metal, and the load just lifts off that one, holds on with little clips through these holes on the bottom. Yeah, both nice, like both of them. I think we should find out what these weigh, just out of interest. Right, let's get the balance on. So the box cars, oops, (106 grams). The Atlas log car, just 96. So the box car is heavier than that, and the Athearn one, this is the heaviest of the lot, 155 grams. Right, let's get them connected up. So I've got them laid out on the track, and we're going to try with this old Athearn blue box loco. The type it is escapes me, I can't remember. It's a bit noisy, but it's one of my £5 blue box diesels I got from a toy fair a while ago. So let's see if they'll all connect up properly. It is a beautiful run of this, it's just noisy. It's got them two. Yep, got that one. The two log cars. It's got them, and I found an extra one in the box that I'd forgotten about, which is another Athearn boat wagon, I don't know what you call that. Yeah, it's picked all them up nice and gently as well. Right, let's just send that round. So it was an instant derailment there, so that could have been me when I put them on, so we'll give it another go. See how it gets on over the S-bends. If anyone knows or can remember what the proper name for that diesel is, let me know. It is a good strong runner with a massive flywheel effect as well, because it's got two great big flywheels in there. It's done a lap. I must say, I think that makes a pretty impressive train. It's got lights, that loco, but I think it needs a bit more juice to get them to come on. So yeah, I'm happy with them. Boxton Mint seems pretty good. They're all very free running, despite having a bit of weight to them. They're really nice. And whilst I can't run prototypical US freight trains, so that'd probably go all the way around me, all around me layout, I think that looks pretty good. Especially impressed with the modelling of the logs on the Athearn one. So no excuses now when I look at an American loco that I haven't got any rolling stock. I've now got a bit more. Just give them another pass. What do you think of these? Got any information on this particular range of Athearn rolling stock? I mean, they're all in the same type of boxes, so they must be from around the same time. But yeah, if you can fill in any gaps on dates and whatever, that would be great to know. So they've got those 4 wagons from eBay. They worked out at £4.80 something each, which I don't think is too bad. I had to add the postage on that though, which was because of this smart delivery thing, or whatever it's called these days. Simple delivery was £2.49, so I guess you're looking for about a £5 each, a bit under that. Yeah, I think they look pretty good. Quite impressed with them. I think they were a pretty good buy. So thanks for watching. Let us know what you think, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.